Are we gonna have a problem? You got a bone to pick? You've come so far, why now are you pulling on my dick? I'd normally slap your face off, and everyone here could watch. But I'm feeling nice, here's some advice. Listen up, biatch. I like looking hot, buying stuff they cannot. I like drinking hard, maxing dad's credit card. I like skipping gym, scaring her, screwing him. I like killer clothes, kicking nerds in the nose. If you lack the balls, you can go play dolls and let your mommy fix you a snack. Whoa! Or you could come smoke, pound some rum and coke in your Porsche with the quarterback. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Honey, what you waiting for? Step into my candy store. Time for you to prove you're not a loser anymore. Let's step into my candy store. Guys, roll at your feet, pay the check.
Help your cheese.
All you have to do, say goodbye to Shamu. That freak's
Not your friend, I can tell in the end.
If she had your shot, she would leave you to rot.
Of course, if you don't care, fine, go braid her hair. Maybe Sesame Street is on.
Whoa!
Or forget that creep.
And get in my Jeep. Let's go tear up someone's lawn. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Honey, what you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. You just gotta prove you're not a loser anymore. Let's step into my candy store. You can join the team,
Or you can bitch and moan.
you can live the dream,
Or you can die alone.
you can fly with eagles,
Or if you prefer,
keep on testing me
and end up like her.
Veronica, look! Ren invited me to his homecoming party. This proves he was thinking about me.
Color me stoked.
Oh, I'm so happy! Woo!
Whoa!
Hey, yo, honey, what you waiting
Shut up,
for?
Heather! Step into my candy store.
So step into my candy store. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy store.